Hey, what is up everybody? So today I have a great accessory in the house for the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2. It is the wrinkly styling bezel. With the Watch Active series, Samsung removed the physical bezel on the watch, but thanks to Rinky now we can customize our Galaxy Watch Active. The link for the styling bezel will be down in the description, do check it out. Moving on to the side, we have many options to choose from. First we have glossy silver that I will also install right now. On second we have glossy rose gold, then glossy black. Finally silver is present, that you can say it's like matte silver. And guys, moving on to the installation process, it's also very simple. Just take out the bezel from the box. Now remove the plastic adhesive and gently place it over the Watch Active 2. And here you have to make sure that the buttons on the Watch Active 2, they exactly align with the cutout on the Rinky bezel. After correctly aligning with the buttons, just press and hold for a few seconds. So here you go guys, the bezel is now installed and looks pretty dope as well. So guys, you will ask what are the benefits of this bezel and what are my thoughts on this Rinky bezel. First, it adds an aesthetic beauty to the watch. If you're bored from your watch, it will definitely make it look like a new one. Secondly, it kinda adds support for my finger to rest on the bezel, and I can use digital touch bezel without my finger slipping on the glass. And in the last, I would like to mention that if you're walking along a wall and your wrist accidentally touches the wall, it will scratch the display. But with the bezel on it, it will kind of protect the underlying glass. So guys, this was the video on Rinky styling bezel. Make sure to drop a thumbs up and also subscribe if you like the content. And if you want to buy this Rinky bezel, just check the link down in the description. Also, the link for the watch face used in this video will be down in the description. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye.